Wahala for who no know say every testimony get test. My people, make I talk am as e be. Most people wey you dey see dey shout, God did this, God did that today. Yesterday, na dem bin dey shout, God wetin I do you? Before that breakthrough come, sleep don reduce, respect don lose, and people don mock you tire. That business wey dey do well now, na hunger push am start. That car wey park for compound, na keke and okada dem first endure. Even that testimony for church, dem no go tell you the part wey dem cry, borrow, fail, and nearly give up. So if your life dey look like test right now, no panic, no be punishment, na process. The true talk be say, nobody skip test and still get testimony. My brother man and sister woman, I salute una. Ado.